So welcome back to my YouTube. I'm actually getting ready to step out and pick up a few things for dinner, but before I leave, I thought I'll share my second ever Shein haul with you. It's very little. I picked up some beauty, skincare and fashion pieces, so let's get into it. First, I grabbed this really cute flower hair clip. I've seen a lot of girls wearing it, and I love that it comes in many color. So I'm going to be wearing one tomorrow, hopefully, and I think it's really help pop a lady's outfit. So I do not want to wear it now because I'm just going to get some groceries. But yeah, next I have this She Glam lip product. One of it is the liner stain. I think it's this one, lip pillow liner stain, and I'm really excited. I want to try both of them together as a combo, but also separately, to see if it's really good, because everyone have been talking about it, and I love experimenting with lip combo. That's my specialty. So that's the second product. Next, I picked up a pair of sneakers, just a clean everyday pair that I can throw on when I'm out running errand or just keeping it casual. Now, I don't have a lot of sneakers, and I plan to get much more after this. So I got a jersey style top. I think it is Brazil, but we'll see when I open it. I've been wanting, something simple. Oh, look, it's really nice. It doesn't smell weird. This is Spain, and this one is Brazil. Oh, it also have another one. Italy. Something like this, wearing something like this is really what I like wearing. Of course, guys, I grabbed some underwear, and just a reminder, always wash your clothes before wearing them, especially underwear. I'll be washing mine before I use any of this. Please wash your clothes before you wear them. For skincare, I picked up this annual face wash set. Both comes in cleansing foam and oil control cleanser. I've been needing a new face wash, so this came right on time. So just so you know, I often use this, but when I tried opening this, I don't know, the thing just, so the only way I can use this now is to open it like this. So this one really came at the right time. So these are the only face thing that I use that have really helped my skin a lot. Let me brush my hair a little bit. And this is Dermaplaner for face shaving. I have been wanting to try this specifically, and when I finally test it, I will let you guys know how it works. Okay? 2 months ago, I didn't have Dermaplaner because I'm scared of shaving my face, and I used shaving stick. Yes, I used a clean shaving stick, and that thing broke me out. Look, my skin is just healing. It broke me out. So never again. I'm really glad this came. Also, I got this cute earring. So look how cute it is, like a teardrop. So I'm not someone that wear earrings like that because I often misplace mine, and all the earrings I own, my mom got them for me. If you know Nigerian mothers, they love their gold, but this piece really caught my eyes, and as like I said earlier, it looks like a teardrop, and I can't wait to wear it. And when I do, I will definitely show a picture or video of me wearing. And finally, before I forget, this is the last thing I got. It's a tripod. I have been searching for a good tripod. The old tripod that I have been using for years broke. Once I unbox it and use it multiple times, I'll show you guys. Because right now, I don't have a tripod. What I have is a phone stand. Thank God that is helping me stand my video. And that is it for my Shein haul, but I decided to keep the camera rolling a little longer to bring you along for the rest of my day. See me treat myself to some ice cream one of my little cutie pleasures, and then I wound down with a cozy dinner of salmon and potato. Guys, simple joys like this make me happy. Food make me happy. So thank you for spending the day with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, remain blessed.